The President's bodyguard, Colonel Anup Tiwari, is riding to the right of the President's car, leading this elite body of horsemen mounted on his charger, Glorious. To the left of the President's car is the second-in-command are excellent horsemen, trained tackmen and paratroopers. Since independence, it has seen action in 1962 at Chushul, in 1965, followed by the regimental colours carried out by Risaldar Rajesh Kumar Punia, who is mounted on Ace. The rear division is under command of Risaldar. Ladies and gentlemen, Srimati Droupadi Murmu, the President of India, along with the Chief Guest, His Excellency Abdul Fattah al-Sisi, the President of the Arab Republic of Egypt, have arrived.
हम हृदय से स्वागत करते हैं भारत की माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी का और हमारे मुख्य अतिथि महोदय मिस्र अरब गणराज्य के राष्ट्रपति महोदय हिज एक्सीलेंसी अब्दुल फतेह अल-सिसी का.
The President of India, the Chief Guest, being received by the